guys, welcome to Total Technology. Today we will discuss about Pandas library. It is the most powerful and most used library for data analysis, data merging in our Python. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, we are going to start a new series related to Pandas is an open source BSD license library providing high performance, easy to use data structure and data analysis tools for the Python programming language. So today we will learn about how to basically how to use it, the basic functions and its properties, methods. So without any further delay, let's get started. I am going to use Jupyter notebook for this, and let's just open a new file IPynb, and I have some XLS and CSV file here. And if you CSV file is a comma separated value file. If you can open it with Notepad or Excel, you can, after opening, you can see this is the header. EST means its date, temperature, dew point, humidity, sea level, pressure, visibility, wind speed, participation, cloud cover, events, wind degrees, etc. and its value all are comma separated. That's why it is called CSV. So we will use now Pandas to view this in view or edit or select different functions in Python. So if you don't have already installed Pandas library, you need to install it first. So basically you need to type pip install Pandas. It is showing requirement already satisfied. I have already installed it. If you don't have it installed, then it will install. So after you install this, you need to import it. Import Pandas as PD. Okay, in Pandas there is a three type of data structure. One is series, one is data frame, and one is panel. So we will demonstrate the data frame data structure here. This is the most commonly used. In Pandas you can directly import or rather view the CSV or Excel file. So how to do this? So let's do this by df is equal to pd dot read CSV, read Excel. So we will, these are the all you can use: clipboard file, CSV, Excel, feather, FWF, GBQ, SDF, HTML, JSON, MSG, pack, pickle, SQL query, SQL table. There are lots of options there. So we will use PDF read underscore CSV and the path name. The path name will be, so if I have already pasted suppose this weather.csv in my same folder where the program is, so I do not need to give the full path name. If your program is in different path, you need to give the full path name like this. And if you are in Windows, just use / here and then your file name. I'm just typing it here to show you guys. That's it. It has already read the file in this df data frame as a data frame, and so we can now, if we type df, it will print the value. As you can see, it is now showing as an Excel sheet, or rather simply viewing human eye viewing format. These are the index which is automatically generated after you parse one CSV or Excel, whatever file you have parsed it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the left hand side, these are the indexes. So I can also write it here like this. This will also work because both this file and CSV file and my program is in the same directory. See, so that's not an issue. Okay, so let's now do some sort of operation or some of the function, and see some of the function and methods here. So if we type df dot let's just type df dot shape and see what's its return. Okay, and df1 is equal to df dot shape. Okay, tuple object is not callable. Row comma column is equal to okay. Okay, df dot shape, it is printing 31 by 11, means 31. If you print here df you and go through is there, you can see this is 31, means 0 to 30, that is 31 rows and 11 columns here. So if this is a tuple object, so if we and just print row here and the columns is 11, 31 row, 11 columns. Now if we print do df dot head, it will show the first 5 rows and columns data here. If you give 1 here, it will show only 1. If you give 2 here, then it will show 2 here. Similarly, you can use tail and it will show the last 2. And if you use suppose -1, it will show the entire column. Similarly, if we type head and -1, it will show the last one. Remove the last one and it will show. So this is one thing. And okay, so this, as you can see, this is an weather data. With here we have some different temperature, dew point, humidity, and all the things. So first thing you can have in your mind that uh, how to do some operation here. So if we do suppose okay, you can also do something like that, 2 rows 5 columns, or 2 to 5 rows here. 2 to 5 means 2 3 4 up to -1, so that is 2 to 5, and change the value to say est. So it will set the index to est. See, and now we can you can also use df1 dot describe function, which will show you the total count, minimum, maximum, the total statistics, standard, minimum, maximum, percentiles, all the value. Or you can do separate operation also, df1 dot max. It will show you the all the maximum value, temperature, dew point, humidity, like this. Or you can say you can only want to select one column, df1, you can write like this. And if you want to show two, then just type dew point here, and it will show you 2. Similarly, you can also type here if you see the df, or you can transpose your entire data frame like this, df is equal to df dot df is equal to df dot t.
Hello guys, sorry guys, this is Ronnie.
Yeah, hello Ronnie.
Hey Supratim, how are you, man?
Yes, good. Can you see my screen now?
Long time no see. I'm super excited. I heard that we're going to do something on Pandas. Right?
Yeah, we have just started some basic of pandas right
Oh my
now.
god, this is awesome. This is awesome. Okay. Okay, go ahead, man.
Okay, and so as you know, we can also do some type of SQL kind of operation here, like say you want to know the temperature uh, which is maximum, so you can just type say df dot or df dot temperature is equal to df temperature dot max. Okay. It's giving some key error. Okay, actually we have transposed the column here, that's why. Let's just clear this and run again. Suppose you want to select the row where the temperature is maximum. So in that case we can write like this df. This will create the data frame and return you back. df equal to df temperature is equal to where temperature is say maximum. See, it is showing that 50 degree, which is the maximum temperature, and the corresponding date and others value. You can also do a minimum and see minimum is 20 and it is selecting that. Okay, so another thing is that you can also say df dot index and see it is showing range index and start from 0 and stop at 31. Step 1, stop at 31 means it is 0 to 30 and have each step. So suppose you want to change the index, so you can change it like the df dot set index, and suppose we want to set our index as est, so it will be est and in place equal to true. Now you have to type in place is equal to true, because otherwise it will create a new data frame, it will not modify the original one. To modify the original one, you need to type in place is equal to true. And let's now see what's the output. So you can see now the est is the our index, and so after that you can use loc function with this. So say df dot loc, where say date is equal to 13216. Now it is no access in objective class. So you can type def dot loc and any row value here, you can search it. See, it will return that particular row if you type with df loc. Again you can reset your index, write df dot reset index, and it will reset your dataset index. One more thing we will like to share, that using iloc and log you can select any row and column in one data set. Suppose it is df1 dot loc and you want to select in df1 we have done here the date, the particular date it will select. See, it is showing the value of the particular 1/4/2016 date. Similarly, you can use df1 dot iloc and it will give you integer location. Suppose you want for 1 this is row and this is column, starting from 1 and into 1, and just run it. See, it is only selecting the est. You change it to 2, it is now dew point. Here change it to, it is like that. So that's it, guys. So these are the some of the basic operation of pandas, and again we will be back with another video where we will show you some methods like filling the empty or garbage value like nan, fill in, and with other dropping methods. and some of the methods which are used for data mangling and data bungling. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys like it, and